People were asking why we swing the sledgehammers the way that we do. So, you are right. You would usually, if you're doing a blacksmithing or anything to do with metal or anything like that, you would start it off like this, go up, and then down. Because that's where you're going to get your force and your accuracy. We're going for consistency. So for us, we get it like that, aim your foot at the peg, back foot like that, slide it down to there, and you want consistency of swinging the hammer around like that.